This year, we took one step further. We looked at how can we make the metaverse creation easy. So it's one thing to create an XR lesson or experience around an object or an environment, but when you do a whole world, that's very, very difficult. So that's one thing to create XR experience around an object or an environment. But when you do a whole world, that's very, very difficult. So for that, we developed something called Metaverse Builder. And what we do with Metaverse Building, we simply walk and talk. So you can walk and talk and create an experience freely, anytime, anywhere. And this has, I would say, been a breaking ground solution. Let's have a look.
Welcome to the EON Metaverse Builder, where you'll be able to create entire metaverse worlds consisting of multiple objects and environments. Begin your creation journey by selecting your very own custom avatar. You can select from a bank of avatars that have been previously configured and saved to your profile. Design, edit, personalize the appearance of your avatar.
I'm happy to send you the whole video for now for your benefit. If you want to see the video, you can see that on the YouTube channel under the playlist Metaverse Builder. For now, we'll be content to share that you can build multiple objects, you can create knowledge portals, you can create assessment portals, you can do 3D recordings, you can have multiple buildings, multiple assets, and essentially a full knowledge metaverse experience. Just to show you some examples, here is, for example, avatar building. And here we can see interaction with multiple objects for biology, archaeology.
Hello, so today we got to talk about
museums, people, medical.
Because the skull is made of bone, it helps with maintaining levels of calcium and phosphate in blood. So, almost everything you can do with your head depends on...
So, I would say we cover with this almost any topic. So we've expanded also the segment-specific applications on our 5.1 million assets to cover electronics, electrical engineering, physics, medical, geology, space engineering, chemistry, architecture, medical, space science, and so on. So almost any topic that I click on here, there's a link to assets related to things like, for example, criminal justice or marketing or accounting even. So now we have a world that contains buildings, rooms, and experiences for learning. But we also want to bring this world to life. And to do that, in the past, you have to use a game engine. And that requires programming, scripting, or rather complex activities that you see in that screen. So we thought, why don't we revolutionize completely the way to create content interactions by simply touching an object with a wand or a tool and telling it what to do and allowing it to do it and trigger it by various means. Okay, that may sound a little bit fantastic or too good to be true, so let me show you. Hello, today. So we are using a lot the chopstick laser that already exists to interact, and then we are connecting this laser to various tools such as rotation, so you can create a rotation interaction, interconnected rotation if you prefer, multi-axis rotations of your objects, as well as more convoluted ones. You can also use a flashlight cone that makes selected components brighter and turns light, or in general, to the next tool, that is path move. So you define a path that the component should move along. You can also add and place to the right location. In augmented reality, and you can see the air blowing. Tornado effects. Welding is possible. Items and gas, an alarm that connects with a live stream of data with a sensor. So you can see here there's tons, dozens and dozens of interaction capabilities. I will not go through all of those. You can check it out on our YouTube channel under EON Interact. But in essence, if you want to bring a ball to life and bounce it, or you want to rotate something, or you want to push something in the physical space, or you want to apply gravity, or you want to spin something, or maybe weld, or I mean, whatever you may think of, let's say material selection, or maybe multiple light sources, or IoT sensors that link to a real data, or things like water effects on droplets. You can do that in this environment. Okay, so now that we've done Interact, we've launched something we refer to as the knowledge world, which is a land of education where you can learn and earn through collaboration. Let me show you how that works. First you select your land, and you select your buildings, your rooms. You select your avatar in the right language. You enter your room.
Hi Brock. What's up?
Nothing, just in this house.
Yeah,
And once you've done that, you can populate your room with your experiences and classes. You can explore by going from one room, one environment, in this case in Sweden, to the next environment, which is in California, and onwards to Paris, France. So you can actually move and teleport yourself from one place to the other. You can also communicate and also be in the real world. And combine all together.
I go straight in. Beautiful.
So that's the possibility. So in summary, you have EON XR that made it easy and open to create the XR experience back in 2019. Merge XR to expand your reality to digital twins. Spatial meetings that allows you to teleport and connect anytime, anywhere. The Metaverse Builder that allows you simply to walk and talk and build the world. EON Interact, that by touching and going, you create very rich interaction. The knowledge world, which is the land of education. And with this comes also a bunch of new features. Illuminate provides you persistent tracking. Universal provides you availability on expanded number of devices. We are more than 30 plus. And the marketplace enables you to learn and earn. Now, if you want to learn more about where are we going, we even wrote a book about this. It's called the Knowledge Metaverse. It has a longer perspective, so it's about a 10 years to 20 years forward. But in the short run, we have a lot of interesting opportunities. The book's title is also The Intelligence Explosion and How We Can Become Superhumans. So it's the link between extended reality and augmented reality and Artificial Intelligence. So you can either buy the book on Amazon, it's available, or you can contact us, and I'm sure we can offer you a free copy. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you so much.